客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. Winning Best Hakka Singer at the Golden Melody Awards this year is Huang Zixuan, and here's a song by him called Muma, or End of Twilight, and it's a collaboration with True Noodle, which draws on Brazilian samba and jazz influences. Now, the lyrics is also inspired by Hakka artist Lin Shenxiang, painting a picture of a sunset in which the shadows and sunlight intertwine. Let's take a listen.
莫听愁改心情怎回事爱挖ขึ้น你挖ขึ้น你水太阳红来迷恋了这世间诺不天让开心挖ขึ้น你该丢唔得请你该高兴夜日佛夜日佛莫讲一句该把台空意人個病人個病木馬該熱點愛莫是酒也醉發生唔是負責任傻傻係先你痛不該空意愛應該沒心從到日三年日三年行轉去行轉去
这是黄子轩与春面乐团合作的《Muma》，以 Bossa Nova 曲风营造出异国风情的浪漫氛围。歌词细腻描绘日落至夜幕之间的光影变化，而歌曲流露出夜晚降临前那份暧昧还有孤寂的情绪，真的很令人陶醉。我们在这边要恭喜黄子轩荣获本届金曲奖最佳客语歌手奖。Once again, congratulations to Huang Zixuan with his album New Soul winning multiple golden melodies this year. Hope you enjoyed all the music. My name is Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.